Would you like to expand your vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker? Would you like to learn a variety of different vocabulary words that you can use instead of overusing the word very? Welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today I'm going to go over 13 expressions using very and show you what different advanced vocabulary you can use instead. When you're first starting to study English, using the word very in front of different adjectives to emphasize those adjectives is a great thing to do. However, if you want to sound more intelligent and really expand your vocabulary to speak like a native speaker, please use some of the vocabulary words that I will teach you in today's lesson. Number 1, instead of saying very cold, we can use the word freezing. In Canada, during the winter time, it is freezing. Freezing is a much better way to talk about the temperature rather than just saying very cold. Number 2 is very hot. Very hot. But instead of saying very hot, we can use 2 other great adjectives to describe hot temperatures. They are scorching and sweltering. It is scorching. Today it is sweltering. Number 3, very beautiful. But instead of using very, we can use 3 other really great adjectives instead. Gorgeous, breathtaking, and stunning. And these adjectives can be used to describe a person's beauty, or also natural beauty in landscape or a picture that someone has painted, anything that you could describe as being beautiful. Wow, check out that guy. He is gorgeous. Wow, look at this amazing view. It's absolutely breathtaking. Whoa, look at that great painting. It's stunning. Number 4, very cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's very cute. But instead of using very cute, instead we can use the adjective adorable. That puppy is so adorable. Number 5, I am very hungry. Very hungry. But most people, instead of saying very hungry, will say starving. Oh my goodness, I'm starving. I can't wait to eat. Number 6. I am very tired. But instead of saying very tired, we can use a great adjective, which is exhausted. I am exhausted. Number 7, very big. Instead of saying very big, there are 3 excellent adjectives that you can use. Huge, enormous, and massive. That elephant is enormous. Whoa, look at that tall building. It is huge. If there are a lot of sales at the mall, the crowds are massive. This toy is very small, very small. But instead of saying very small, we can use the adjective tiny, tiny. Or if it's even smaller than just tiny, you can use the adjective microscopic. Germs are microscopic. In addition, if somebody is telling you about a problem or something is wrong, but you think it is insignificant, it's very small, very little, it's not important, then we can also use the adjective minuscule. Minuscule means that something is so small that it is not important. So the 3 adjectives that you can use instead of saying very small or very little are tiny, microscopic, or minuscule. Number 9, very dirty, very dirty. But instead of saying very dirty, we can use the word filthy. Oh my gosh, this house is filthy. We really need to clean it. Number 10, very clean. If something is very clean, we can say that it is spotless. There's not even a spot, a tiny speck of dirt. It is spotless. Now that we've cleaned our house, it is spotless. Number 11, this is very boring. But instead of very boring, 3 adjectives you can use are dull, monotonous, and tedious. This lecture is so dull. My job is so monotonous. Listening to my friend tell me the same story again and again and again is tedious. So the words instead of very boring are dull, monotonous, and tedious. Number 12! Number 12 is very exciting. But instead of exciting, we can use the words thrilling or exhilarating. Roller coasters are thrilling. My vacation through the Amazon rainforest was exhilarating. Number 13, very good. Very good. This is probably the most used, most overused way that people are putting very into their sentences. Instead of using very good, I could make a whole lesson on just other adjectives meaning very good, great, excellent, marvelous, superb, fantastic, splendid, super. I could continue. But the point is, stop saying very good. Please use different vocabulary to advance your English skills and sound more like a native speaker. If you do that, you will be a fantastic English speaker. Keep up all of your marvelous work. You're doing an excellent job. Learning lots of new vocabulary words can be challenging. However, I want to let you know one other very simple trick. If you can't remember all of these different words to say very and whatever, I want to teach you 7 different words that you can use instead of using the word very. So maybe you can't remember, very beautiful. What did Jen say was a great adjective for very beautiful? Hey, maybe you can't remember the words breathtaking or stunning. Instead, you can use different adverbs instead of very. For example, extremely. You are extremely intelligent. Tremendously. It is tremendously hot. Extraordinarily. Extraordinarily. I am extraordinarily tired. Awfully and terribly are also great words that you can use instead of very. That book is awfully boring. My vacation was terribly exciting. Highly. Getting this job is highly competitive. Exceptionally. He is an exceptionally good basketball player. So these 7 words are great to use instead of using the word very. Extremely, tremendously, awfully, terribly, highly, extraordinarily, exceptionally. So if you have difficulty learning all these new vocabulary words, try using these 7 other descriptive words instead of very. So today, we took a look at 13 different expressions using very and learned more advanced vocabulary that you can use instead. In addition, I taught you 7 different words that you can directly use instead of the word very. So please try using these 20 expressions in your English writing, in your English conversations, in English. And now it's time for Question of the Day. Today's question is, please tell me about an exhilarating, thrilling experience that you have had. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou so you don't miss any exhilarating lessons. And please give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies, everyone. See you in the next lesson.